Hello everyone and welcome to the Collections Centre here at Brooklands Museum. My name is Vicky and I'm the Collections and Archive Relocation Assistant.
I'm Anna, I'm the Collections Care and Documentation Officer, and we're going to show you a few highlights from the collection. Hi, so we thought we'd do something different this time and show you something that's inside some of our plan chest drawers. Normally, in these drawers with Brooklands Museum, you'd associate it with technical drawings, art, posters, anything from the time of engineering or motorsport here at Brooklands. However, in this drawer, we've got something special to show you. Gloves worn by high society when they came to visit Brooklands when it was a racecourse between 1907 and 1939. So we've got a ferret, a fox fur scarf, another fox fur scarf, and some unidentified animal fur. If anyone knows what this is, please do get in touch so we can add it to our documentation and care for it accordingly. But this is what I want to talk to you about today. This lovely little fella is a silver Arctic fox. He's also got little claws still in his paws, which would have been really comfortable when you're wearing it around your shoulders. These photos came with the fox. If you look closely in this photograph behind the cow, there's a barn here. This barn is where the Napier Railton was kept during the Second World War. And the barn was owned by this woman, who was the wife of the gardener to Ethel and Hugh Locke King. She was Eileen Hooper, and John Cobb, who owned the Napier Railton, gave this fox to Eileen Hooper as thanks for looking after his car during the war. Now, we just keep calling him the little fox that we found in a box, but we think he deserves a bit more love than that, so if you can come up with a name, we'll add it to our documentation like we will with the material for this, and we'll give you some credit for it. So please get in touch if you've got any name suggestions. So that's our animals.